Okay, I was going to show you how to replace the battery on your egolf. My battery died after basically about a year, so the batteries don't last too long in this thing. To get the battery out, you release the key, and then you need to put something in here to twist it out. My keychain works just fine. I just put it in there and I apply a little pressure and the little case comes out. You can see the battery in there, and the battery type is a CR2025. I don't know if that'll see on screen. And to get the actual battery out, you are going to need something pointy. There's a little divot on the side, and it'll pop with a spring, so you gotta be careful. Pop. Got the battery. And when you get the new battery, just make sure the label is facing out, so you can read the CR2025. It's on top. You just slide it in. You slide it in this edge first, and then press on either side, and now it's good to go. Put your key back in, and your battery is changed. Okay, if you have a dead battery in your key and you're not at home and you can't replace the battery, you can still start your car. First you got to release this little cap, which has the keyhole. You can see there's a little tab under there, and that's where you put your key and twist it off. Okay, so you saw that little tab. I need two hands to do this, so you just put the key in the little tab, pull the handle out a little bit, and twist. That comes right off. You can then put your key in there and unlock your car. There's a space beside the steering wheel. I'll show you that in a bit, that you just put your key to start your car with a dead key battery. To put this back in again, you just pull the handle out a bit, click it back in. And the spot you want is right to the right of the steering wheel. You put your dead key in this area and your car should start.